This video guide is about getting rid of Robotcaptcha6.info pop-up windows, which keep attacking Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and other browsers. As you see, these pop-ups are presented as some human verification. The pop-up indicates that it tries to find out whether you are a human or not. But in reality, it's a fake statement. The messages that the pop-up displays are totally faulty and very deceptive. If you click on the Allow button, this very moment the browser will get automatically hijacked and infected. So you will start getting a lot of unwanted pop-up ads that will be permanently attacking your screen and redirecting the browser to all kinds of suspicious and dangerous pages on the web. Therefore, do not click on Allow. If you have done that, that's a mistake. You need to go to the menu, click on Settings, then go to the Privacy and Security area and choose Site Settings. And now, in the Permissions section, choose Notifications. So you will find this dangerous page, Robotcaptcha6.info, in the Allow area. It may be in the bottom of the list or somewhere else. By the way, there could be some other additional sites. Some of them may be decent and related to Google, for example, whereas some other sites may be not genuine, so you need to get rid of them all. Click on this button and remove this site. After you get rid of all these suspicious pages, I would suggest that you additionally scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software and start the application and click on Start Combo Scan in order to begin the detailed investigation and research of your Mac computer. The scanning will last for a while, and at the end of scan you will see the detailed report instructing you about the current condition of your Mac and the exact location of each specific thread. So far, this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, it will perform the direct and thorough analysis of your Mac computer. And at the end of scanning, the detailed report will be given. You may click on the icon or the link called Review Results, and this will immediately show you where exactly the thread is located and what particular thread it is. So you may remove each thread manually, one thread at a time, simply by clicking on this small icon that is saying Show in Finder. So you may find the location of this adware in the Finder and move it to the trash. You may do it with each specific thread, adware or malware that may be the part of your computer. So click on this icon, Show in Finder. As I said, this will show you its location, and you may remove each detected thread manually and absolutely for free. Or you may perform the automatic malware removal. However, this will be done with the premium version of the program.